Hello guys, I'm back. The title of the video is not a clickbait. While ago I lost myself completely, and in this video I'll tell you how it happened and what did I do to fix it. Short disclaimer, it's not so much about game dev, but it's a real practical example that can be applied to basically anything you want to do. So I genuinely hope you'll find my mistakes useful and it will help you in one way or another. Also, you probably noticed that now there is my face in the shot. I decided to level up the production because I did hit a milestone of 5,000 subscribers, which is huge considering my first video sounded like this.
Hello guys, after updating Unity and transferring my project to a new Unity version, I've got...
From the bottom of my heart, thank you. I'm not sure how it will go. I feel shy to be on the camera. It's kinda difficult for me to focus on the lens, but we'll have to exit the comfort zone sometimes. I'll try my best. Now let's get to the video. TutorialHell. What is it and how do we get trapped in it? Well, usually TutorialHell means you're stuck in a loop of watching tutorials without actually applying knowledge on practice. I made a whole video about that 3 months ago, and that was the video with the best start I had on YouTube. And also, that was the beginning of me losing confidence and creativity. That was the beginning of my downfall. This when I thought, my video did pretty well, what if I check some tutorials, gain some knowledge, and that could make my videos even better. And there it began. I started to watch lots of tutorials on how to make YouTube video, lots of them, while I was eating, playing games, exercising, all of that. I tried to make YouTube video after that with all advices I learned, and my videos failed badly. And I felt like something is wrong. I felt that things that were said in the tutorials blinded my own vision. And I felt like I began to lose myself. You see, these couple of videos that failed are not the first one I made. There were lots of videos before, and they were doing pretty well, especially for a newly created channel. Some of them had thousands of views, and those videos are the one that brought me to 5,000 subscribers, or at least to the very first 1,000. I was doing things with the hinge I had inside of me. I just had a feeling on how to do it, and it worked. My passion for it was enough, and I did not care if I make a mistake. And I sure did not need anyone's advice. I just felt like, let me cook. If video was bad, okay. If video was good, good. I had my own style of thumbnails, my intros were doing pretty well, and then there is this period of me learning from tutorials. And just to be clear, I'm not talking about tutorials where you can gain practical knowledge on how to code or how to edit. I'm talking about videos where people put in the title something big. Something like how to blow up your small YouTube channel guaranteed. By watching those, I began to overthink everything. I did try to make everything by the secret formula they were given, and what I did as a result sucked. I'm not blaming the formula or advice they were given, this video is not about that, and by the result of the videos itself not upsetting me. What I was upset about is I was not sure in myself anymore. On each step of creating a new video, I felt like I need advice from someone else. I felt like I need to watch yet another tutorial to be sure in my next step. What makes things only worse is that when you watch lots of those videos, most of them feel like they're walking around the subject to make you watch longer. Watch till the end to learn this great tip. And you're trying to catch the wisdom by watching more and more videos, and I cannot explain it, but to me it feels like they never get into the point. So what happened to me is that I completely stopped believing in myself. I felt like my videos are not good, I don't know what I'm doing, and I felt like maybe I need to watch another tutorial. But another video to watch would only make things worse. And you know, I lost it. This was the moment when I stuck in a tutorial hell, because I stopped making videos and I watched tutorials on how to make videos, digging myself deeper and deeper. I just felt like, what I'm gonna do now? It was much better when I was just doing my own thing. That's why I needed a break. I went to do something I know best. Making a tutorial series on how to make a video game. That's what I know better than most. I just made straight up tutorial with practical knowledge, not worrying about how to get 1 million of views and how to attract more people. And during period of creation, I began to feel it again. Like, I know what I'm doing. I know what's best for me. I know this will work. And here comes the main point of this video, the reason I was blabbing about things I said before. Nobody knows you better than you do. Nobody can tell you how to go about your own style. You just need to be you. And this video is not only for you, my friend, it's also a letter to myself. People are not stupid. People appreciate sincerity. And you being true to yourself, that's what is cool. That is what people like. And of course, when you don't know how to do something, for example, how to edit a video or how to make a video game, you should watch a tutorial. You should learn the basics. You actually need to learn how to do something. But when it comes to choosing, when it comes to creativity, please be yourself. Choose what you like and do it. Now, thank you so much for paying attention. I want to say thanks to my Patreons and give special thanks to Friendly Robot and Retrobad Gamer. Thanks to you guys, these videos are possible. The camera recording thing is so difficult.